Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today he's diving into a component that might seem small, but is absolutely critical for anyone working with older television sets or vintage electronics projects. What he has here is an integrated circuit specifically designed for the sound section of a TV. This particular chip handles the intermediate frequency, or IF, amplification and detection for the audio signal. Think of it as the part that takes the processed signal from the tuner and video, if stages, and pulls out just the sound information, making it ready to be amplified further to drive a speaker. This IC comes in a 9-lead SIP package. SIP stands for Single Inline Package, which means all the pins are in a single row. This was a common form factor for many components in consumer electronics from a certain era, making them relatively easy to insert into a circuit board, though perhaps not as space-efficient as modern surface mount parts. The 9 leads provide all the necessary connections for power, ground, input from the IF stage, output for the detected audio, and any control or filtering pins required by the internal circuitry. For someone trying to repair a vintage television that has video but no sound, this IC is often one of the prime suspects. The IF amplifier boosts the weak sound IF signal, and the detector then demodulates it, extracting the audio waveform. If either of these functions fails within the chip, the sound goes dead. Having a replacement like this is essential for bringing those old sets back to life. It's not a component you typically find in modern digital TVs, so its relevance is primarily in the realm of analog television technology. Working with a component like this requires some basic soldering skills and understanding of analog circuit diagrams. But for hobbyists and repair technicians, it's a fundamental building block. Its function is straightforward. Receive the sound of signal, process it, and output the audio. The reliability of the sound stage in many older TVs depended heavily on this single chip performing its job correctly. Finding a good quality replacement is key to a successful repair or a new build that mimics vintage performance. It's a testament to the ingenuity of analog design, packing complex amplification and detection into a relatively simple package. He finds components like this fascinating because they represent a specific point in the evolution of electronics, bridging the gap between discrete components and highly integrated digital systems. This 9-lead SIP IC is a perfect example of that era's approach to solving specific functional blocks within a larger system like a television receiver.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.